numbers right, okay? So if you're not familiar with London, London is the London St. Thomas Real Estate Board. So London is situated right beside another major city, not quite as big, but St. Thomas. And I do want to touch on that a little bit today because it's really important because there's a lot of development going in there. And so that's what that means, London and St. Thomas Real Estate Board. This is pretty crazy. Our monthly update, the real estate board, this is major news for us. It's the first time in a very, very long time the average home price actually saw a dip. And I know Corey was mentioning before that they saw that typically in their year prior in March, but we haven't seen that for a very, very long time. Our market has just shot up. I mean, just from January to now has probably been a steady 30% increase. You know, I sold properties in September for 950,000, and they some people have not even moved in and flipped it from Toronto for 1.3. So this has been very, very difficult for sellers that maybe sold early and didn't see the market doing this, and for investors coming in from Toronto area making some pretty crazy amounts of substantial income in a very short period of time. So some of these numbers here, you know, in February, London's home average was 823,000. I think Corey said his was around 6 or maybe touched on 7 there. This is, in March is the first time we saw roughly about a 20,000 price drop. And I could tell you right now, we have seen a lot of people slow down coming from Toronto. This is what's really happened. And I really state our market progress because I like to look at Toronto and Kitchener's. Those are 2 larger major cities right up the stream from us. When they start dipping, we're usually 3 or 4 months behind them. So when they start going up, we're 3 or 4 months behind them again. So I have a lot of EXP agents that are on my downline that I work with every day that are in Kitchener and Toronto. And they told me in January, they started seeing this happening. Prices sitting, houses sitting, not going to offer date. And this is the first week I have seen this. Not only about an hour ago, I didn't get offers on my listing where we should have got offers. If anything, they were way under than where the market value is at, 2 weeks ago. So when, as things come up, they come down. I'm expecting we're going to see a lot more balanced market here, but what could I say? The blood's in the water right now, and buyers are really getting some opportunities. They haven't had an opportunity for probably 2.5 years to really go in on bidding on a property that, that doesn't have 20 offers. 3 weeks ago, we bid on something and it had 45 offers, but depending on where you are in this market, if you're under 700, it's a zoo still. It is. But now we're starting to see and honest to gosh, I've been having bidding wars on properties over 2 million. I mean, pushing them up 550,000. It's really crazy. It's pockets here and there. But what my prediction for the market right now is we're getting a slow amount of buyers coming down from the Toronto area. They're kind of pushing back their way. They're not seeing the investment opportunities here with the interest hikes coming in, inflation going up. And a lot of people are cashing out of Ontario. I mean, I can't tell you I would say 45% of the deals I've been doing, my sellers, I do a lot of listings, majority are moving up north, out east, and out west. I mean, moving out west was a big thing for years here. Never moving up north. I mean, selling everything they have and moving up north. So